In this video, I'm going to share with you some insight on how to check if your account is growing in ThinkorSwim. There's a lot of different trading platforms out there and brokerages, and some of them have like nice little curves. And on the website, it's pretty easy to find. But on ThinkorSwim, it's a little bit more tricky. But I will share with you a little tool and indicator you could put on there to kind of see the account growth in there. So let's kind of hop into ThinkorSwim. This right now is a paper platform, but it still will show you the account growth over time, because it's actually one of the things you can't fake when it comes to the paper platform, because you're recording some data from the past. So anyways, in order to do this, what you'll need to do is just pull up the charts. It doesn't matter which chart. You can pull up SPX, you can put up SPY. It's really up to you. Even if you pull up Amazon, I'll show you the account growth won't change. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over into the studies area. You can do it this way, and you can add a study. I like going to all studies, and then it's a little bit easier. There's probably a way to find it through kind of one of these areas or one of these zones, meaning like one of these categories. But I find just going to all studies, and then what you're looking for is account net lick. So when you look for account net lick, that's account net liquidation, and then you can add that in. So what that will do is kind of pull this little thing here on the bottom, and it'll break it down for you. So if I stretch this out, what it's doing is it's telling you the account as if you net liquidated it at that time. So for example, as I was trading this account, sometimes I don't trade the paper account as much because I'm trading more of my real account. I'm not sure if it works as much on the weeklies, but I know on the daily here it works just fine. So what you'll see is in 2023, this account value was right around here, and then we continue to kind of grow it as we did different trades, and as stocks continue to go up or down. And then we kind of flatlined here a little bit. I think I was doing a little more courses, because usually it comes around August time, September time, kids go back into school. So I usually don't do as much trading in the paper account, simply because then, well, my time is a little more limited. We also have more courses that we launch. So anyway, so this account kind of stayed stable. We also had a little bit of a market pullback. So now it's kind of right here. So we took a little dip in this area. Now we're back into that zone. So anyways, it kind of shows you the sculpture of what's happening, what's going on within that account, and it gives you an idea. So if you're starting to have like a little bit of a dip right here over a course of a month or two, then you might say, you know what, I want to tweak my strategy. I want to change my strategy. I want to adjust my risk parameters. I want to change my position sizing. I want to change the stocks I'm doing. So that could be a little bit of a tail sign there for you. But if you change the stock here, it doesn't really matter. Here I go to Amazon. Here I can type in Netflix. This part in the bottom will still be the same, because the account net liquidation is the same, whichever stock I'm on. But it's a good way to do it. You might also see sometimes there's like little bars that are missing. So I'm not exactly sure what that is. That could be like a data feed or holidays or something like that. So that could be a little bit of an issue. Overall, most of it is fine, but I do sometimes see some of those missing data points from time to time on the system. So again, that could be just the ThinkorSwim database. It could be also in the live account. I also see that at times too. So it creates the same issue. So I think it's just something that with pulling up the data, but overall you kind of get a general picture of the landscape, your profits, your losses, and how the account is kind of doing and performing over time. So anyways, that's where we're at. Hope that helps and gives you a little insight. Truly appreciate all the comments and things that you guys write in. That's also very nice, and thank you for that. Don't forget to check out tradersfly.com. There's a lot of things there to learn, freebies to download, courses to get. So check that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.